Why don't they just do it immediately? I don't know why. But this is just more fun because I get to do this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What?
The National Weather Service has issued a thunderstorm watch number 220 effective from 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties: Webb, Texas. Remember, a thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and listen to latest statements and possible warnings. Return to your weather radio, commercial radio, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Stay tuned to your weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, I screamed watch very loud.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 220, effective until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following county: Webb, Texas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Man, I screamed watch very loud. What the?
Showers and thunderstorms like
advisory? Look. Pretty soon I'm gonna have fun with all the colors.
east winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Flood warning in effect from Sunday evening until further notice. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Rio Grande at Columbia Bridge. When? From Sunday evening until further notice. Impacts at 18.0 feet or 5.5 meters. Flow reaches the heights of the right bank. Livestock and equipment flood in the channel and low banks below Eagle Pass to below Laredo. Autos and trucks flood in low areas of the customs parking lot downstream in Laredo. Additional details at 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. The stage was 6.4 feet or 2.0 meters. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage Sunday evening. Crest near 19.4 feet or 5.9 meters early Monday morning, then fall below flood stage Monday morning. Flood stage is 18.0 feet or 5.5 meters. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from Sunday evening until further notice. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? Rio Grande at Laredo. When? From Sunday evening until further notice. Impacts at 13.0 feet or 4.0 meters. Autos and trucks flood in the lower sections of the mall parking lot. Water is several feet deep in the lower sections of the customs parking lot. Additional details at 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time Friday. The stage was 1.4 feet or 0.4 meter. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage Sunday evening. Crest near 12.1 feet or 3.7 meters early Monday afternoon. then fall below flood stage early Tuesday morning. Flood stage is 8.0 feet, or 2.4 meters. http://weather.gov/safety/flood. Severe thunderstorm watch number 220 remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday for the following county: Webb, Texas. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. What? Numerous flash floods likely with significant events possible. Where? A portion of South Texas, including the following counties: Duval, LaSalle, McMullen, and Webb. When? From 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening through Sunday afternoon. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Some low-water crossings may become impassable. Extensive street flooding is possible and roads may become impassable. Significant flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is possible. Additional details: 4 to 7 inches of rain is forecast to fall Friday evening through Monday. Isolated higher amounts are likely. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The Weather Prediction Center is forecasting a moderate risk for flash flooding. The probability for numerous significant flash floods has increased. There is an increased danger to lives and property due to flash flooding. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall. Where? All of deep South Texas and the Rio Grande Valley, including the following areas: Brooks, Cameron Island, Coastal Cameron, Coastal Canady, Coastal Willacy, Inland Cameron, Inland Canady, Inland Willacy, Jim Hog, Canady Island, Northern Hidalgo, Southern Hidalgo, Star, Willacy Island, and Zapata. When? From 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday through Sunday afternoon. Impacts: flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas where several feet of water could be seen in locations with the highest rainfall and rainfall rates. Low water crossings may be flooded. Area creeks and arroyos will run high and may overflow their banks, especially in Star and Zapata counties. Additional details: 4 to 6 inches of rainfall is expected from Brooks Hidalgo west to Zapata County. -2 to 4 inches of rainfall is expected elsewhere. Locally, higher amounts are likely in stronger or slower moving storms, which could produce rainfall rates up to 3 inches per hour. http://weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. The current time is 9:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 9 p.m. South Texas weather observations.
Where is it? Brownsville.
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Zapata County in deep South Texas until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located in San Ignacio, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near San Ignacio around 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Zapata County in deep South Texas until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near San Ignacio, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near San Ignacio around 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, goodbye. Okay, Brownsville's the one that started it. Interesting. What is it?
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Zapata County in deep South Texas until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of San Ignacio, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Zapata County in deep South Texas until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Zapata County in deep South Texas until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of San Ignacio, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Ignacio, Bustamante, Medina, Zapata High School, Las Palmas, Zapata County Airport, Escabas, and Zapata, Medina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, I was just writing the freezing one book on my laptop, and I was just all of a sudden we get this severe thunderstorm warning.